Okay guys, I know it's been a while since I posted my last video, but I got an email this morning asking me to make something to show DHCP routing through a router. So, from a server, not just from the router like I did in my last video. So right now, the DHCP server is configured. We've got two pools. We've got the 1010 network, and we got the 192.168.1 network. Both of these have been configured. They both have allocation for 50 users per. Right now, if I should go to this computer that's on the 192 network, the one that's with the server, if I switch DHCP on, I get an IP address. So I know DHCP is working. Now, to configure the router, to route the traffic, I want to enable config T, and I'll configure my interfaces. FA0/0 IP address for 00 will be 10.10.0.1 with /24, and this is where you add the DHCP trafficking stuff. The IP address for the DHCP server is 192.168.1.10. So what you want to do is you want to IP helper. You want to set your IP helper to that IP address, 192.168.1.10. There you go. Now that this side here will pull information from this server for its DHCP. Let me finish the configuration for the switch, or for the router. No shut. Set the interface FA01, set its configuration. And I'll go ahead and set the IP helper on that one as well. No shut. Go ahead and set router RIP. And I'll set IP routes. Let's see, 192.168 is on 0/1 with a 1 metric. Two fifty five 0 FA 0/0 with a 1 metric. I'll write the memory, close that out, and that should be complete. Now if I come over to this computer that's on the other side and I pull DHCP, it fails. Let's see. Let's try that one more time. There we go. It just needed to gather the routing traffic between there. So that's how you do it. You just add that IP helper tag into the interface showing where the DHCP server is, and you'll have your configuration complete for having a DHCP server with a router and switch and multiple computers on different networks. There you go.